guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, we do new recipes every week and we speak about basic keto things, our own journey. So if you wanna stick around, then hit the red subscribe button. And today we are going to make, what we are going to make today?
Chocolate mousse, keto
Exactly,
style.
it's a keto chocolate mousse. I love it. I think this is my favorite keto dessert so far we made. I would say yes.
For me, it's the cinnamon buns.
Okay, good. Yeah, this one we're gonna make. It's very simple and easy, and the basic is a chocolate mousse, but if you develop it further, I will tell you how to do that. Then it's very easy to make a chocolate cream, a chocolate pudding out of it. This is just a basic recipe. And if you're wondering why I have glasses, because you never see me in glasses, it's because I have an eye infection and I have to take out my lenses.
And she looks awesome. She looks like my secretary.
I never wear glasses, but yes, this is my go-to spare if I get an eye infection. Okay, good. Now we're gonna cook this chocolate mousse. So the basic of this recipe is mascarpone. This is 250 grams. Then the choice of your sweetener. I love monk fruit. This is what I use, but now I am out. So this is stevia, 3 tablespoons.
We're going to put a link in the description to the sweetener that we like to use.
Yeah, and this is whipped cream. This is 3 deciliter of whipped cream. Then raw cocoa powder. This is 3 tablespoons. A little bit of quality sea salt. Then about half a teaspoon of vanilla. And we are going to use 2 eggs to this recipe. Okay, so you have your mascarpone. You just add your choice of sweetener to this. Now it's stevia. You add your cocoa powder like this. Don't waste any cocoa powder. If you like even more chocolate, you can add more cocoa powder. It's up to you. And then we add the pinch of sea salt. We will add our vanilla, half a teaspoon like this. We will add the heavy cream. Or whipped cream, I think it's called. Whipped cream, yeah, whipped cream. And now we will use our mixer and mix that up. This is the disadvantage of not knowing your kitchen.
Got unplugged.
Yes, I got totally unplugged. Okay, but this is mixed together nicely. You see, it's very much like this mousse type of consistency. This is how this store-bought powder looks like when you make it. Exactly like this. The sweet is very good. If you like it more sweet, you can add extra, it's fine. But this is how I like it. And at this point, you add 2 egg yolk and just mix it together again. If you don't want to have this consistency like this one, then you can add the full egg and you will get a much runnier pudding type of texture. Yeah, so you can play with this a little bit and see what works for you. I can put the egg whites here for the dog. Our dog loves the egg whites, it's good for the dogs. Yeah. Good, and we will mix this together. Alright. We will do a taste try. It's nice. It's very nice. Okay. So this is your chocolate mousse, and then you can just top it off with some berries. You can even do that. I think I have blueberries at home somewhere. I just need a cup. Then you just put them into a cup, like 2 tablespoons or maximum 3. It's way enough from this. It's quite heavy. And then we top it off with some berries now.
Alright guys, this is what the end product looks like.
Yeah, you can put like strawberry piece, raspberry or blueberry. I only had blueberries, so this is what I put on. Okay, you can try and see if you like it. I mean, usually you like this one.
I love it. I mean, one of the things that I missed most on the ketogenic diet is the occasional sweets, and amazing that this doesn't like spike your insulin so much. It's very low carbs. Calorie data is going to be on the screen. and you find the recipe on our website. And yeah, just enjoy this recipe, and we will see you guys in our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.